Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use sum if and sum ifs function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to use the sum function. So let's start. So simply select the cell and use the is equal to enter the sum and select the range of column. Okay, then bracket closed and enter. Here the 7,100 total amount is calculated. Second way, you can use the shortcut key Alt is equal to. When you press the Alt is equal to, the range of column is automatically selected with the sum function. Press the Enter key and that's it. The 7,100 is total amount calculated. The third way, simply select the range of column. Then click on this icon, the quick analysis. Then click on the total tab and then click on the sum. That's it. Here you can see the total amount is calculated. Okay. And next, sum if for one criteria. Here the criteria product, Apple product. Okay. So here I want the total sales amount of the Apple product from this data. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the sum. So first range of criteria. Range means criteria range. Okay. So criteria here is a product. So product range will be product column. So select the product column, simply select the first cell, use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column, then use the comma, then select the criteria apple. Okay, then use the comma, then select the sum range. Sum range will be cells amount column. Sum range means here I want the sum total of Apple product. So it will be get from the cells amount column. So therefore the sum range will be cells amount column. You select the cell and shift control down arrow and select the entire column, then bracket close and enter. Here the 3,800 is a total sales of Apple product. If you want to cross check, simply apply the filter on your data. Select the cell, use the shortcut key Shift Control L to apply the filter. Okay, then filter the products. You are filtered here the Apple product, and you can see the amount is filtered. Simply select the all amount, and you can check here the only 3,800 is the sum of this Apple product. Okay, total sales of Apple product. So next sum ifs here are taken to two criteria, year and product. In 2023, Apple product is total sale. We are going to calculate here. Okay. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to sum ifs, select the sum ifs function and select the sum range. Sum range. Here I'm going to calculate the total amount, the sum amount as per these two criteria. The sum amount will get from the sales amount. So sum range will be cells amount column. Okay, so select the first cell, shift control down arrow to select the entire column, then use the comma, then criteria range 1. Here the criteria 1 is a year. So criteria 1 range will be year column. To select the year column, select the first cell, then shift control down arrow to select the entire year column. Then use the comma, then select the criteria 1. 2022. Okay, then use the comma, then select the criteria range 2, means criteria 2 range. Criteria 2 here, product range will be product column. So select the product column, select the first cell, shift control down arrow, then we use the comma, then select the criteria 2. Criteria 2 is a product apple. Okay, select the apple and bracket closed and enter. That's it. Here the 1,000 total sales in 2023 of Apple product. Okay, if you want to cross check, same as apply the filter on your data. First select the year, so 2023, and then select the Apple product, then filter the Apple product. See total 1,000. So it's means correctly calculated. So hope you understood all three these functions. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.